Hello everybody, Jared here. Just working on some earrings that Jocelyn and I designed and put together, and she thought it'd be a good idea to put together a video and show you what we're doing. So here it is. Sorry about the little bit of noise in the background. I'm still running the laser on something else. In fact, I'm working on some coasters for another friend of mine. But let's get to work on some earrings. So engrave both sides, several coats of lacquer. They are ready to go. So here's how I put them together. I don't have the steadiest hands in the world, but I make do. So here are the 3 beads that I put on. Natural stone bead in the middle, tiger eye blue. It's a little hard to tell on camera here, but then I add one more 6mm bead just for measurement purposes, because that's about how much extra I need to clip off to make my loop. And take off that piece and take off the extra measurement bead. And now I got a little thing right there. I'm going to give that a little bit of a bend right at the top. And now I'm going to loop it all the way around. If I can get a good grab of the very end here. There we go. Yep. A little bit of butterfingers there. And that, you can see we've got a pretty decent loop there. Not too bad. Just close it a little bit. And then we straighten out the sides. We grab the bottom loop and the top loop. Just twist them straight, make sure everything is lined up nicely. All right. Well, there's that. Now we have to put this on. So let's move that out of the way. And grab one of our jump rings here. And this is basically just a split ring, and we're gonna pry it open. Just a little bit, just enough to get it on there. You don't want to pry it open too far because you don't want to weaken the metal any more than necessary. Oh, didn't realize I was in frame there. Grab one of our pendants and feed it through gently. And while still holding on to this jump ring here, I'm going to get a good grip on it. I'll loop this on there and then close it up. I said, sorry about the unsteady hands. Lots of shaking all the time. All right. Now we have that. Now we add the ear loop, or ear hook. So you need one more jump ring. Same thing, we're going to pry it open just a tiny bit. I'll hook it around our beads. And hook it around our sterling silver ear hook and close it back up. I get it nice and tight and really precise in there without having to bend it too many times. A little bit better. Oop. Yeah, actually that did just what I wanted. That is perfectly lined up. So there we go. And there is one earring. I won't bore you with the second.